Hey guys, welcome to another episode on KS Tech. So today we are going to continue our story about n8n, and today we are going to discuss another 3 nodes. These 3 nodes are in category of data manipulation, and that is exactly what those 3 nodes actually are doing. They are transforming data from one format into another. And first we are going to create some dummy data with edit fields. I'm going to set some data in here. Okay, here I set data for one person, name is John, age 34, and with some achievements in codes. Just a simple example, doesn't have any meaning. Okay, I'm going to execute this step, and we have this form. We have it in table. Let me show you schema and JSON. All right, I'm going to get back. Going to connect it to this manual trigger. Zoom out a little bit, and now go to data transformation, and in here you are going to find those nodes. So first HTML, let's use it, convert to HTML. Let's use Markdown and XML. All right. So with edit fields, we are getting output with JSON. So I'm going to connect directly to XML because XML can transform JSON to XML or XML to JSON. So I want to transform this JSON from input to XML on output. All right, now I'm going to execute this step. And we have our XML data. Later on, I'm going to preview all of this. Okay, I'm going to get back now. Now, what HTML can do? Let me show you. We are going to take JSON input and we are going to produce HTML table. And now, from HTML, we are going to take output and we are going to input that data to Markdown. Because this Markdown node can convert from HTML to Markdown code. Okay, now first I'm going to check this HTML. I'm going to execute this step. All right, we have our table in here. And let me check this Markdown. In here, I have to provide HTML code. All right, I'm going to execute this step. And finally, we have output in Markdown code. To get back now, I'm going to execute this entire workflow. And we have everything. So first, I'm going to copy this Markdown output. And I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code. In here I prepare 3 documents: test HTML, test Markdown, and test XML. So first we are going to test this Markdown. I'm going to paste this code in here. But in order for this to work, we have to remove this /n code. That /n means new line. So we are going to replace it with actual new line. I saved it, and now I'm going to open Markdown preview. Great, this test was successful. Now let's see HTML. I'm going to copy it. Visual Studio Code, test HTML. I'm going to paste this code in here. I'm going to save it. And I'm going to open side view. Still our data, it's in place. Okay. With XML, we also have to replace this /n. I'm going to use Ctrl F. Going to replace it with space, replace all. And in order to preview this data, I'm going to right click on this file, open containing folder, right click on this document, open with Firefox. All right, so everything works perfectly. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya.